Hi friends, welcome to my channel Started Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency, that is ZEC Coin or Zcash Coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical analysis as well as important levels. So watch the video completely. So let us draw the trend line first. You can see the support trend line. Okay, so continuously the candles are taking support at this level. Okay, you can see that, and this is the resistance trend line. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. So this is the resistance level and this is the support level. So candles come down to support and then pushes the price to go up. Again it comes to the support and again it pushes the price to go up. So currently you can see candles are falling continuously, and previously you can see candles were moving in a upward direction. Okay, and then breakout happened. Now continuously the candles are falling in this channel pattern. So this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. So if you go to the weekly chart also, you can see after this fall the candles went up and now continuously the candles are falling. Okay, so this is the support and this is the resistance. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. Okay, and if there is a breakout happens from here, then candles may move to this resistance level and then fall may take place. If the breakout doesn't happen, then candles may fall in this downtrend channel pattern. It may come down support and then it may go to this resistance level. So like this the candles may move in this downtrend channel pattern. So you can see clearly it is a downtrend channel pattern. Candles are moving in this channel pattern, and once the breakout happens then candles may start moving towards this resistance level. So resistance is around 724 and support is around 26. Okay, so within this downtrend channel pattern only the candles are falling. So after the fall, if the breakout happens, it will go up. Again the fall take place, again go up, fall, again may go up. So like this it may move in this downtrend channel pattern. You can see that very clearly. Okay, and now we'll talk about other important details about this cryptocurrency. Like you can see the current price $216. It is down by 3%. Rank is around 25. Around 301k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is 3.59 billion. Volume in 24 hours is 288 million, and total supply is 16.6 million, and circulating supply is 16.6. maximum supply is 21 million. Okay, so you can see that in 24 hours 3% down for this cryptocurrency. Okay, now I'll go to the chart, and you can see when these candles are falling, you can see that after this fall you can see candles are falling in this channel pattern. And if after the breakout, if you have an open position here, you should have a stop loss below this this previous candle high. Okay, so if you have a stop loss, so you can see when the candle goes up you make good profit, and if it reverses you can exit immediately with the help of support. Okay, so always have a stop loss to prevent any major losses. So small loss is fine, and big profit is always good. Okay, so this is a big profit and loss is this much. So always have a stop loss to prevent any major losses. Suppose if there is a breakout happens, in case if it happens here, if you have an open position here, you should you can have a stop loss below the support trend line. So you can see profit should be big and loss should be small. If it gives a breakout, if you are having an open position here, you should have a stop loss below the support trend line. So profit should be big and loss should be always small. Okay, so like this the candles may move in this sideways channel pattern. So again the fall may take place and go up. So like this it may move. So previously you can see after this fall you can see breakout happened, candles went up. Okay, and then again the fall happened, then it was moving sideways, and then breakout happened, the candle started moving in a upward direction. You can see that very clearly. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and this video is for education purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you.